In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add reviews from CJ Dropshipping to your Shopify store easy. By the end, you'll have real buyer feedback showing on your product pages, which can boost trust and conversions with just a few clicks. First, open your CJ Dropshipping account and sign in. Head to the product you want to showcase reviews for, the exact item that's already listed in your Shopify store. On that product page, look for the buyer review section. This is where CJ collects feedback from customers who have purchased that item. Take a quick look to make sure the reviews fit your brand and language preferences. Next, click Export Review. CJ will generate a file, usually a CSV, that contains the star ratings, comments, and timestamps. When your browser prompts you, save the file somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a dedicated reviews folder. Keeping track of this file is important because you'll upload it directly into your Shopify Reviews app. Now switch over to your Shopify admin, click Apps, then search for Product Review to find a reviews app that supports CSV imports. Scroll until you see Mag Product Review, select it, and click Install. Follow the prompts to complete installation. This is the tool that will display and manage the reviews on your storefront. Once the installation is done, open the Mag Product Review app. In the app, go to the Reviews area, then choose Import and Export Reviews. You'll see an option labeled Import From. Set that to Shopify as instructed. Then click Add Your CSV file. Navigate to the exact file you just downloaded from CJ Dropshipping and select it. Confirm the import and let the app process the file. Depending on the number of reviews, this can take a moment. That's it. After the import completes, the reviews are ready to appear on your product page. If you don't see them right away on the storefront, give the page a refresh. It's a good idea to verify that the imported reviews match the correct product, and to quickly scan for formatting or content you might want to moderate. Consistent product titles or handles between CJ and Shopify help ensure everything lines up cleanly. You've successfully exported buyer reviews from CJ Dropshipping and imported them into your Shopify store using the Mag Product Review app. If this helped, make sure to keep your reviews updated as you add new products so each listing benefits from authentic social proof. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.